Hi, in my last video, I gave you the tip to start thinking in English to get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. I'm going to explain it further through a real life example. If you translate from your own native language into English and do not think in English, you can make serious errors. For example, the word aina is used in Urdu as sometimes shisha. And similarly, the window glass is also called shisha in Urdu. So if you are translating something while talking to your evaluator in IELTS and it is related to mirror, which is aina, you might translate it from aina into glass, which is wrong. Similarly, you might call the window pane or the glass in a window as mirror, whereas it is glass. If you want to really master speaking for IELTS, join tracks.